Good evening to all. Today's 15th research theme is focusing of the research called Singha 2030. Quite many years back, but it has provided us a great contribution. We're also on BMI. Now, according to BMI, the body mass index, individuals can be grouped into obese as well as lean. So the research shows that obese individuals show increased activation in the insula or the putamen, whereas this activation is not observed in lean individuals. So Sinha 2013 proposes this heuristic model, which is provided in this diagram. So what it says is, as we know, individual differences, there are many variables of that, such as demographic factors, insulin resistivity, eating patterns, chronic stress, and even lifestyle factors like exercise. So what they show is this individual differences can affect in three different ways. One is the food motivation and the intake, and that can definitely influence the weight gain. At the same time, it can also affect the food related emotions, hunger, even food cues by activating the stress responses like the autonomic nervous system, hypothalamic pituitary axis, and even the glucocorticoid. At the same time, the stress factors like metabolic factors like the insulin level, the glucose uptake, then the leptin levels, etc. Meanwhile, these individual differences, as mentioned earlier, because of the food and the food cues and the stress, it can stimulate the activity of the prefrontal cortex, especially the neurovisceral control as well as the decision making. Decision making as to to eat more or to eat less, and even increases or activates the rewarding nature, the limbic activity, which is related to the emotion, and thereby it activates the hypothalamus and the midbrain is arousal as well. So all this can also increase the food motivation and the intake and thereby weight gain. So weight related adaptations do take place in a cyclic manner. That is, individual differences controlling the food motivation as well as activating the brain and its activity, as well as the other hormones and metabolic processes. So this is how weight related or weight gain is obtained or weight gain occurs in obese individuals according to heuristic model. So this is what the research Sinha 2013's main outcome is all about. Thank you.